Let's do a movie of Mackie. Come on, go get your ball. Where's your ball? Yeah. Get your ball or your tug, little movie guy. Let's get your tug. See where Mackie goes. Where's your tug, little buddy? Or your ball? Get me a soccer ball. Can you get it? Yes. Oh, yes. He's trying to find his soccer ball. He's got a soccer ball. Oh, nice. Soccer ball. Trixie wants to play with the soccer ball. Yes. Soccer ball. Is it stuck on your mouth? Yeah, who got the soccer ball? Who's the playing dog? He likes to shake it up. Show me your soccer ball, Mickey. Oh. Soccer ball. Who's got a soccer ball? Oh, who's got a soccer ball? Mickey does. Mickey's got a soccer ball. He's so cutie. Oh, soccer ball. Soccer ball. Trixie wants to play with the soccer ball. Trixie wants to be on the movie. Trixie said, oh, movie for me. Mackie, is it stuck to your mouth? Is it? Oh my goodness, help!